Wiggle, 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 wiggle.
What's that smell? Let's see what's for dinner tonight. Spinach. Oh no, not again. Oh.
Yeah! Tickle fight! No, let me go! Time out!
Splash, I was thinking your bath.
All on a Saturday night.
A rub-a-dub-dub, just relaxing in the tub.
Everything's alright.
This is looks interesting. Look tasty. Oh, I made a horrible mistake. Get over here. Get in my belly. Come on. Get off my leg. Cannonball!
Stop hitting yourself! Stop hitting yourself! Stop hitting yourself! Stop hitting yourself!
Stop it! Time out!
Okay.
La. Nailed it.
Come in! Hiya!
Oh, what? I need my shoes for this. Just had to get the last bit of you. Oh, talk about March of the Penguins.
Nom. It's so tasty. Nom. Losing it. Oh, lost it. Did anyone see that?
Hey! Who dropped the strawberry fruit on my head?
What? No, wasn't me. Maniac.
Boy, this makes me hungry. At least it's pizza night. Pizza. Honey, I'm home.
Where's the pizza? Did you remember to pick it up?
No.
We're having leftovers again.
Leftovers? Gross.
Yodelay, hoo. Yodelay, hoo.
Guys, what are you doing? It's supposed to be a V, not a U. Larry, get back in line. Pull it together, guys.
I'm stealthy as the night. No one can see me. Uh-oh. My position has been compromised. Initiate escape plan! What? Did I miss anything?